After physical properties of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic group, we'll study the chemical properties of aldehydes, ketones. See the laboratory test for aldehydes and ketones. These tests are very important. They will give the test between aldehydes and ketones. So aldehydes are easily oxidized to carboxylic acid and therefore act as reducing agent towards mild oxidizing agent. And ketones don't have hydrogen atom directly attached to carbonyl carbon. Hence, they are not oxidized by mild oxidizing agent. On this basis, the difference in reactivity, aldehydes and ketones are distinguished by the following test. See, because of aldehyde, it is oxidized, and in ketone, it is not oxidized because it is hydrogen atom is not directly attached with carbonyl group. And on this basis, we have the distinguished test. So test is given by only aldehydes. That test is called as Schiff's test. When alcoholic solution of aldehydes is treated with few drops of Schiff's reagent, that is pink or red or magenta color appears. This confirms the presence of aldehyde group. So this is the confirmatory test for aldehyde group. So what we have to do, if we don't know whether aldehyde is present in that solution, just we have to add the few drops. That means aldehyde group is present. And for Tollens test or silver mirror test, this is also one of the tests. When an aldehyde is boiled with Tollens reagent, ammonical silver nitrate. Tollens reagent means it is ammonical silver nitrate. Silver mirror is formed. ऐसे silver का mirror form होता है वहाँ पे. So aldehyde is oxidized to carboxylate ion by Tollens reagent and Ag ion is reduced to silver. तो सिल्वर ऐसे दिखता है हमें चांदी के जैसे, तो वो मिरर फॉर्म करता है. सो इट इज़ ऑब्जर्व्ड. सो टोलेंस रिएजेंट और सिल्वर मिरर टेस्ट. रिएक्शन इज ऑल्सो गिवन. aldehyde reacts with Tollens reagent. तो Tollens reagent is ammonical silver nitrate. So twice Ag, twice ammonia, that is a cation, and 3 OH group anion. Tollens reagent. It forms oxalate plus silver mirror plus ammonia. Ammonia is evolved and silver is formed as a substitute precipitate. Precipitate means silver will settle down and water molecule is also formed. So this test you have to remember. The Fehling test. तो aldehyde के लिए Schiff's test, Tollens reagent. देखो Fehling test is when a mixture of aldehyde and Fehling solution is boiled in a hot water, the red precipitate of cuprous oxide is formed. And aldehyde is oxidized to carboxylate ion by Fehling solution, and copper 2 plus ion is reduced to copper plus 1. It may be noted that alpha hydroxy ketone also give this test positive. तो Fehling test कौन कौन देता है? तो aldehyde group and alpha hydroxy ketone. तो ये दो ग्रुप देते हैं. सी द रिएक्शन. aldehyde is boiled with Fehling solution, it gives red PPT. So carboxylate ion is formed along with cuprous oxide plus water molecule. So Fehling solution में 2 copper ion 2 plus 5 OH group. So उसे कहते हैं Fehling ion. So 3 tests are there for identification of aldehyde. Schiff's reagent और Schiff test, Tollens reagent, Fehling test. ये तीनों में से हमें कोई एक भी करेंगे तो भी हमें aldehyde ग्रुप अगर प्रेजेंट है तो वो प्रेजेंट दिखता है. Now test, laboratory test for ketonic group or sodium nitroproside test. This test is cancelled. Actually it is omitted. So next we'll study the chemical reactions of aldehydes and ketones with nucleophile. See, in all these reactions, the nucleophilic reagent brings about the reaction by attacking and on positively polarized electrophilic carbonyl carbon in aldehydic and ketonic. देखो Carbonyl group means carbon is bonded, doubly bonded with oxygen, and that carbon is act as electrophilic. Electrophilic means it is electron loving and it is a positive charge ion. So obviously it will attract nucleophile which is a negative, which is negatively charged, and they will have nucleus loving. So the addition of an hydrogen cyanide, that is a weak acid, adds across the carbon oxygen double bond in aldehydes and ketones to produce compound carbohydrates. The negative part of the reagent, that is cyanide negative part, attacks the nucleophilic carbon carbonyl group. कार्बन कौन सा कार्बन है ये? कार्बोनाइल ग्रुप का, और से इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक कहते हैं. सो द रिएक्शन रिक्वायर्स आइदर एसिड और अ बेस एज अ कैटालिस्ट. तो एसिड भी चलेंगे और बेस भी चलेगा. सो aldehyde, when aldehyde is there we'll write H, and if it is a ketone we'll write R dash. So both the general reaction is given, so you will write down the specific reaction below. Here it is given. So carbonyl group react with hydrogen cyanide, they give cyanohydrine. So acetaldehyde reacts with hydrogen cyanide, it will give acetaldehyde cyanohydrine. So you'll write the reaction, name of the reactant and name of the product also required. Acetone, ketone का reaction है. Acetone will react with hydrogen cyanide. So double bond will break. Oxygen is attracted with hydrogen, and another CN group will attack to electrophile of carbon. Electrophile carbon is act as electrophile. So cyanide will act as a nucleophile. So the bonding will take place. Then we have addition of sodium bisulfite. Sodium bisulfate. The formula is sodium hydrogen sulfate. Aldehydes and ketones react with sodium bisulfate or saturated aqueous solution of sodium bisulfate to give crystalline precipitate of sodium bisulfate. Adduct, addition compound. For example, देखो acetaldehyde है, it is reacting with sodium bisulfate. So ऑक्सीजन के साथ हाइड्रोजन रिएक्ट होता है और कार्बोनाइल ग्रुप इज अटैच विथ सोडियम सल्फेट. सो इट इज़ अ एडक्ट. एडक्ट मीन्स सब कंबाइन होके एडक्ट फॉर्म होता है, एंड दिस दे विल बी एज कॉल्ड एज एडक्ट. इसे बड़ा कंपाउंड दिखता है. सो सेम थिंग वी विल हैव अ रिएक्शन विथ एसीटोन. एसीटोन रिएक्ट्स विथ सोडियम बाइसल्फेट. सो हियर acetone sodium bisulfate adduct is formed. So two reactions are given, for one is for aldehyde and one is for ketone. So here write the reactions for both. The next is addition of alcohols. Addition of alcohols to aldehydes, ketones, we'll see. Aldehydes react with one molecule of anhydrous monohydric alcohol in presence of dry hydrogen chloride to give alkoxy alcohol known as hemiacetal, which further reacts with one more molecule of anhydrous monohydric alcohol to give geminal dialkoxy compound known as acetal, shown in the reaction. देखो acetaldehyde reacts with anhydrous monohydric alcohol and in presence of dry HCl. So this reaction is reversible. It is giving hemiacetal, that is unstable. Hemiacetal means है, and oxygen is react with R and one more bond is formed, is that is OH. So it is called as hemiacetal. unstable है ये. तो ये देखो ये अनस्टेबल है, सो इट विल लूज no, it will react with one more molecule of alcohol in presence of dry HCl, and that time it is forming acetal, that is a stable, means 2 OR group is attached with carbon, so that is called as acetal. Or hemiacetal means OR group is there, only one OR group is there. जब 2 OR डैश वहाँ पे अटैच होते हैं कार्बन एटम को तो वो बनता है एसिटल, एंड दैट इज़ अ स्टेबल कंपाउंड. जो पहले स्टेप में है वो अनस्टेबल है, एंड एज दिस रिएक्शन इज रिवर्सिबल. सो दिस इज फॉर aldehyde. Now we'll see the reaction for ketone. One more reaction is there. मोनोहाइड्रिक के साथ हुआ, अभी इथाइल अल्कोहल के साथ वन मोर एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन. कीटोन का बाद में देखते हैं. सो एसिटाल्डिहाइड इज रिएक्ट विथ इथाइल अल्कोहल, सो हेमीएसिटाइल इज फॉर्म विच इज अनस्टेबल, एंड सेम थिंग इज रिपीटेड, सो इट इज 1,1 डाई हाइड्रोक्सी इथेनॉल इज फॉर्म्ड. मिथेनॉल की जगह पे इथेनॉल लिया है तो यहाँ पे इथेनॉल मिलता है हमें, 1,1 डाई इथॉक्सी इथेन, दैट इज अ स्टेबल वन. Next reaction is for ketone. Similarly, ketone reacts with alcohol in presence of acid catalyzed to form hemiketal or ketal. देखो ketones reacts with 1,2 or 1,3 diols in presence of dry hydrogen chloride to give 5 or 6 membered cyclic ketals. Ketone reacts with diols, ethanol 1,2 diols. Already 2 OH is there, so they are forming cyclic ketal. देखो carbon is attached with 2 alkyl group is as it is, it will 2 double bond of carbon oxygen will break, and over there they will link with ethanol 1,2 diol. डायोल का जो सीरीज है लिंक होता है वो, और यहाँ पे हमें cyclic ketal मिलता है. So see, these reactions are little bit different, so you have to practice it again and again, and names are also different. Cyclic ketal ऐसे, हेमीएसिटल ऐसे अलग अलग नाम है, तो आपको ये प्रैक्टिस करना है. So the reaction can be reversed by treating the cyclic ketal with aqueous HCl to regenerate ketone. So this reaction is reversible. So if you will reversible this, we will get ketone as a regenerated. Okay. So acetals and ketals are hydrolyzed with aqueous mineral acids to give corresponding aldehydes and ketones respectively. तो दोनों भी ये जो reactions है वो already they have given with the arrows that they are reversible. तो ये इनको अगर हम हाइड्रोलाइज करते हैं एक्यूएस मिनरल से तो हमें हम अल्डिहाइड और कीटोन फिर से मिल सकते हैं यहाँ पे. सो दीज आर रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शंस. सो अल्डिहाइड्स एंड then we have the Grignard addition of Grignard reagent, then nucleophilic addition, elimination of aldehydes and ketones with ammonia derivative. So ammonia derivative में see aldehydes and ketones undergo addition elimination with some ammonia derivatives to give product containing carbon nitrogen double bond, that is imine. The reaction is reversible and takes place in weakly acidic medium. The substituted imine is called a Schiff's base. देखो aldehyde है और ये है ammonia derivative, and it is a reversible reaction is there. Over here this Z is ammonia derivative, means Z is maybe R, AR, और दूसरा अमाइन भी हो सकता है या फिर NH मतलब इमाइन भी हो सकता है. सो इट इज़ अ इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस जेड इज़ रिटन. तो हम जो चाहिए रिक्वायर्ड है वो ले सकते हैं. जैसे आर भी ले सकते हैं या फिर ए आर भी ले सकते हैं. सो अमाइन इमाइन. ओके. सो aldehyde reacts with ammonia derivative to give the compound containing carbon nitrogen double bond, that is imine, plus water molecule. So this is a general reaction. We'll see the reaction with, देखो यहाँ पे लिस्ट दिया है उन्होंने. when the nucleophilic addition nucleo elimination reaction of aldehydes and ketones with ammonia derivative. So we have the reactions over here. When ketone reacts with hydroxylamine, Z is equal to OH है यहाँ पे. So ketone reacts with hydroxylamine, water is eliminated, so elimination reaction will take place and it forms oximes. Oxime means carbon nitrogen double bond is there and along with OH group is there, so that is called as oxime. सारे रिएक्शंस कीटोन की तरफ दिए हैं. सो कीटोन reacts with hydrazine. Even we can take aldehyde, instead of R we can write H. So hydrazine is NH2NH2. So Z is over here NH2. So ammonia derivative amine is combined with another amine, so it is called as hydrazine. Hydrazine reacts with ketone, it gives hydrozone. देखो R carbon R dash, carbon is double bonded with nitrogen and again amine group is there, so that is called as hydrogen. So ये सारे रिएक्शंस आपको लिखने हैं अच्छे से और याद करने हैं. Ketone react with phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine means NH2 is linked with NHC6H5. तो यहाँ पे Z क्या है, डैश NH डैश C6H5. फिनाइल हाइड्रोजन कहते हैं इसे. एंड द प्रोडक्ट which is formed after this reaction is R dash CR, and carbon is doubly bonded with nitrogen and it is again bonded with NH dash C6H5, phenyl hydrazone. Two more reactions are there. Ketone reacts with semi carbazide NH2NH CONH2. So this group is there. It will get linked with carbon and the compound is called as semi carbazone. So आपको सबके नाम याद रखने हैं and you have to practice this. Then acetone is react with 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. देखो 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine, ये सब्स्टिट्यूएंट जो है वो कैसे है, NH2 है, NH2 के साथ NH फिनाइल ग्रुप NO2 2,4 पे नाइट्रो ग्रुप है. सो द कंपाउंड इज फॉर्म 2,4-dinitrophenyl. सो एसिटाल्डिहाइड के साथ रिएक्शन दिया है. कीटोन के साथ रिएक्शन जो है वो तो पूरे टेबल में है. नाउ द रिएक्शन इज गिवन विथ अल्डिहाइड. Aldehyde reacts with hydroxylamine. It is a reversible reaction. It will give the complex in which NH2OH is bonded with carbon and oxygen. And after water is removed, elimination will take place. Acetaldeoxime is formed. See, all aldehydes and ketones give similar reaction. Some important reactions are listed in above table. The resulting products have higher molecular mass and are crystalline solids. These reactions are therefore useful for characterization of original aldehydes and ketones. तो ये जो अभी हमने स्टडी किए हैं ये सारे कैसे सॉलिड्स क्रिस्टलाइन सब्सटेंसेस है. सो दे आर वेरी यूजफुल फॉर कैरेक्टराइजिंग द ओरिजिनल aldehydes and ketones. So we will study these reactions, practice it and remember their name. All are elimination reactions. write down for ketone, and same thing you will write down for aldehyde. So you will practice these reactions. So अल्डिहाइड और कीटोन्स की रिएक्शन थोड़े से अलग है, हमको नोटबुक में लिख के प्रैक्टिस करना है. After this we have haloform reaction. This reaction is given by acetaldehyde. All methyl ketones CH3COR and all alcohols containing CH3CHOH means secondary alcohols group. When an alcohol or methyl ketone is warmed with sodium hydroxide and iodine, a yellow precipitate is formed. Here, the reagent sodium hypoiodate is produced in situ. In situ means inside the reaction. During the reaction, sodium salt of carboxylic acid is formed which contain one carbon atom less than the substrate. यहाँ पे एक कार्बन एटम कम होता है. So the methyl group is converted into haloform. So acetone is oxidized by sodium hypoiodide to give sodium salt of acetic acid and yellow iodoform is formed. Haloform means iodoform like chloroform ऐसे. So acetone react with sodium hypoiodate NaOI in presence of sodium hydroxide and I2. So write down this reaction also.